So, good morning everyone. My name is Bhavya Bhadwar, back with your favorite show, CD Baat No Bakwas. Today we have a crucial topic which plays a very crucial role in our youth's life and has the power to change the world, has the power to change the mindset of society, and is very crucial for everyone in nowadays time. So, the topic is none other than education. So today we have our four guests with us, Miss Prachi, Mr. Harsh, Mr. Tanuj, and Miss Tanya. So let's talk about education to our guests. So, ma'am, tell me the thing that why is there anything we should change in our education system, or as it is a very crucial part of the youth's life. So, what do you think? What changes must be taken in this part?
So I think there are a lot of changes which required in our education system, as we have seen that our education is totally based on theoretical theories, and our education system doesn't focus on skill based knowledge and some trainings. I think some trainings and courses should provide that will give employment to the student, and it will raise more job opportunities. And I think there is lots of need and changes required in rural areas, because I would like to say one quote that education is the most powerful weapon that we have. So education is very important. We should take more provisions, more changes on this topic.
So, thank you, ma'am. So, sir, I would like to ask that how education plays a crucial role in one's life.
Okay. I think the education plays a very important roles in one's life. It help to develop the personality. It help to develop because I think the body needs survival for. So I think we need oxygen for the survival. Our body need oxygen for the survival. Like to survive in this world, we have to educate it. You can understand the importance of education by this thing. So I think the education is one of the important thing, and we can also say that educated people also help to build the nations. So I think government also take a great look down for the education and also invest in the education.
Thank you, sir, for your opinion. So, I would like to ask you, sir, that why education must be provided to the age group of 6 to 14 years old children?
In my opinion, is that education is very important, and in this generation is a very hardworking and strength focus on a study. So after that is easy for studying, and after that complete the education and goal. That's the reason you focus on a study and not laughing with other friends. That is the reason. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, ma'am, I would like to ask you that in today's time, why it is necessary for the girls to be educated and how it helps them to express themselves in the society.
Well, first of all, thank you to invite me in your show. Well, if you ask me the question, why education is important for girls? So, first of all, I just want to highlight it. Education is not important for only girls. It's important, not just important. It's a necessary for all of us. But if you mention the specific why it is important, why it is necessary to girls, so it is so much necessary for girls, because if we talk about the past times, earlier time, at the time the girls should like exfoliate by the other peoples, because they don't have any kind of good thinking. They don't have any kind of their own exceptions, their ideas, their own perceptions to express themselves. That is the reason people underestimate the girls, because they don't have any kind of thing, expect the handling the household, husband, wife, and other things. So I think in today's era, most of the women do a lots of things rather than good things rather than the men's. Like if we talk about the Kalpana Chawla, she's a woman who went to the universe, the Lata Mangeshkar. She's a good singer, expect in the whole Bollywood industry. There are lots of women we can highlight. My one of my favorite is Kiran Bedi. She is a first IPS officer of India. So there are a lots of women who did good things for nation, for themselves. So because of the education is the step which with the help of them they can step up and up. So it also if I talk about girls and women, with the help of the education they can just be confident, they just can express their personality. With the help of this they can take a lots of opportunity which they neglect in the past times. So thank you for this.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful idea. So, as we get to know that education plays a crucial role in our life, as our all guests explain how it plays a crucial role in our life. So, education is the necessity for today's generation, and education is the thing which helps you to enhance your personality, and it is the thing which makes you more valuable in the society. So, thank you, everyone.